Welcome. Did you ever wonder what happened to 98462? What happened to the red engines? How Sodor was built? Well, I've come to inform you that it's about to get confirmed. Welcome to the... It's about 1914 when the Northwestern...
The year was 1914, when the Northwestern Railway was first produced. There weren't many engines, and there were a lot of passengers, but they didn't mind the
And the
extra
more
work.
engines that traveled, the more and heavier the passenger coaches got. There were many different types of engines. There were the coffee pots, the Sodor mainline engines, the Wellsworth and Suttery engines. Oh
There were
yes,
also
and
visiting
of
engines
course,
from
how could
other
I forget?
railways.
The experimental engines. Who was this, you ask? Well, her name is Lady. She's a prototypical tank engine. She was one of the first engines ever built. She was proud of this, but she wasn't arrogant. The humble little tank engine didn't know that she would get a new color paint and a lot of modifications in her later years. But that's another story. But as the years went by, the work became harder and harder with less engines. More passengers came, making the engine's wheels run dry. They needed more coal and more water for how hard they were working. Uphill, downhill, stopping at every station. Caused them to get sick, feeling all depressed
This would
and
cause
worried
them
and hard worked and tired. I've come to deliver a message for Sir Topham Hatt due to him feeling sick. He signed a contract saying that he can loan 2 engines from the other railway. One is from Brighton and the other one is from the Furness Railway. Hooray! Said the engines. I wonder who those 2 engines are. But that's another story, my dear friends. See you next time.